Till our previous video, we saw broadcast join in Apache Spark, where we understand the working behind of it, while with the help of two executor and one data frame. We also saw the major difference of broadcast join with respect to shuffle hash join and why broadcast join is so faster. Till our previous saw the code and how Spark automatically pick broadcast join itself during optimization wherever it is possible. In continuation to that, next video. Hey people, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the difference of broadcast join, shuffle hash join, and short merge join. Okay. So very first topic about the sorting. Sorting is an expensive thing. So yes, we need a sorting in our short merge join. If we talk about sorting, it is required. Sorting is required here, but sorting is not required at short hash join and definitely no in our broadcast join. Okay. Since sorting is not required, so when to use when? How will you know when to use when, right? So let's suppose when you are trying to, join your factor table with your dimension table. Fact is joined with dimension. Then you can go with the broadcast join. Here what you will do, you are going to broadcast your dimension. Dimension table are basically small in size, okay? So you are going to broadcast the dimension table, and it should not be greater than 10 MB. Remember this, okay? The table size should not be greater than 10 MB, else you are going to receive a out of memory executor error. We will discuss about OOM error, that is doomed error. We also call it as a doomed error, okay? So we will talk about this later, but need to keep this in your mind that executor out of memory is one thing you can get if your dimension table is more than 10 MB. Okay, so I believe I'm making this point very clear to you. Okay, but what about the shuffle join? When you are going to when you will use this shuffle hash join, so you will use this join when you have two tables. Okay, you have two tables. It can be either fact table and factor table, or it can be a dimension to dimension join or factor to dimension join. Okay, factor dimension already we have covered in broadcast join. Go with that. If the dimension is greater than 10 MB, then you have to come to the shuffle hash join as well, right? So you can go with this thing. Now what will happen is one table is smaller in size. One table is smaller in size. SMALL, smaller in size. So go with this one, and one is large. So at that time, you will go with shuffle hash join. If none of these two join also work, right? Definitely at some point of time, your data will grow gradually. Then you are left only with short merge join. That is expensive one, but you have to go with this one. So when these two are not working for you, that how you will decide, right? Greater than 10 MB of the size, you can't go to the executor memory. So driver node memory. So you will come to the shuffle hash join. When shuffle hash join is also gradually the data has been grown, and you can't just keep one table into your complete one table or one data frame into your RAM, then you are left with none other choice than short merge join. Okay. Now, if you want to explicitly tell which join to use, so you have to give the hint, df.hint. Okay. This way you have to give it. So you will write the broadcast here, BROADCAST. But believe me, most of the time, BROADCAST. Most of the time, Spark will automatically create a broadcast join for you itself. Here you will give the shuffle hash. Correct? You will give the shuffle, SHUFFLE, shuffle hash. Let me reconfirm it once from our code which we have seen. So this was our code, right? And we had given the hint of shuffle hash. Give the hint of shuffle hash. And for the short merging, you will give it as a merge when you are going to merge it. So where I am merging it, these are two data frames. So the hint will be the merge. So let's write down it here. So you have to give the df.hint as merge. Okay. Now coming to the complexity on which one will be the fastest for you and which will be the best thing. So this one is the best, and this is the fastest join. Okay, this one is second fastest, and if you are left nothing, so there is nothing as third fastest or something, but best, fastest, second fastest, and this short merge join is the least one where you can use. So whenever the data has been grown very large, right, you have both the table in big size. So go for this type of joins. It is not like these joins are very bad or something. Since it is a Spark join, it is also optimized. Okay, don't feel like okay, I this join will take time or something. These are like more refined way of joining. That's why broadcast and shuffle are used in our industry so much. But sort merge join is also used because definitely, let's say, suppose if you are working for a BMW company, they are a manufacturers, right? They are manufacturers, so they will have so much data. Their devices, their car will generate IoT data, which you have to collect, engine temperature. So gradually over a time, it's okay to use sort merge join as well. In real world, I have seen, even I use sort merge join in my project as well. Shuffle has join as well and broadcast join as well. But the condition applies for these. Okay. And if you are still trying to do it using broadcast join and you are like forcing your Spark to do the join with the broadcast join with greater than 10 MB, definitely you are going to get error. At that time, you have to shift your approach. So that is not worth it, right? So please take it as a note when to use when, what is the major difference between them, how you will tell Spark how to use which kind of join. Okay. And sorting is not required. Here, sorting is not required, but hash is required. Yeah. Sorting is not required, but keep it in mind. Hash is required. No sorting, but hash. And one more difference you can write it as no shuffle, no shuffle, no repartition. Repartition. Okay, this required repartition, repartition. This required repartition. This required both shuffling, sorting, repartitioning, everything. Okay, and since repartitioning is coming over here, so shuffle is also required over here. So that's why the broadcast is the best thing to use in the HTC. Okay, so hopefully I have made a clear conclusion over the broadcast shuffle as join and short merge join difference, and you might be knowing very clearly now when to use when, how to decide where what to use, what will be the threshold for the file size or the table size, when to use when. Okay, so if you have liked the video, please do like, share, comment, and if you have any doubt, let me know your thought over the comment section so that I will be able to help you. See you in the next one.